true smart golf course starts with a digital foundation. Still remote, driving your mower to map the course. Stop repeating the past. One single walk with P2 LiDAR scanner creates a foundation that lasts for S. Transform raw data into centimeter-level ground truth in minutes. Here is the game changer. Scan once, endless reusability. Define a zone and deploy your entire fleet. Real-time visibility, centralized management. FJD TrueMap. One scan, automate everything.